Hello children, how are you all? I hope everyone are well. It is glad to meet you all in this new academic year. Welcome to grade 8. Myself Naveen and I am going to teach you social science. So be brisk. I like to inform you about our online class norms. Get ready with your pen, note and your content book. Listen very carefully to the video. At the end of the video, just go through your content book about the particular topic which we have covered today. Even in the note, you have to write neat and legible, underline the headings and draw the end margins. Let's go to the today's topic, chapter 1, how, when and where. At today's agenda, we're going to discuss about four important things. First one, what is history? Second one, who are historians? The third one, the scope of studying history. Fourth one, the important notes about the history. I repeat, what is history? Who are historians? The scope of studying history. Fourth one, the important notes about history. First one, what is history? History is the study of past. The study of history which is essential to our understanding of the past. Which means why we have to learn history, children? We have to learn history to know how we have developed from the simple primitive society to the modern one. Not only the society, we have to learn how our country have these rules and regulations which we are following now. Who made that? From where we adopt these rules and regulations? For all these questions, studying history is important. Second one, who are historians? In simple words, historians are the persons who read, write, and interpret about the past. I repeat, historians are the persons who read, write, and interpret about the past. These historians are the persons who left us valuable information about the past in the form of literary sources. I hope this word is very familiar to you. Yes, you have read more about the literary sources in grade 7. Third one, what is the scope of studying history? All the events took place in the past cannot be determined or precisely associated with the particular date. Certain developments happened over a period of a time. For example, beginning of a civilization will not happen in a particular date. It is the result of continuous process. So the dates mentioned in the history is mainly because of the historians who wrote about the ruler and dynasties. For example, imagine if you are an historian, what are the things will you note down? You will note down about your father's birth date, mother's birth date, important functions which happened in your family, and so on. Like the same, the historians who lived under one particular ruler or an dynasty will note down about that ruler and dynasties and the occasions which happened during that period. Fourth one, few important things which we have to remind about the history. They are, history is not just about the rulers, it is also about the common people and their lives as well. When the people started to focus on the content or objective which happened in the history, dates will not be matter. For the easy studying of past, historians divides the past into different periods. For example, how we divide one academic year, children? We divide one academic year into three terms. As like the same, history also divided by the historians into different periods for our better understanding. So that we'll read in our next class. So, what are the things which we learned today? First one, history. History is the study of past. Second one, historians. Historians are the persons who read, write, interpret about the past. Third one, scope of history. So, what is the scope of history, children? It is rather reading the date than the reading content, which is very important to learn the history. And also, we have to learn about the common people and their lives. Historians divide the history into different periods. These are the things which we learned today. So that's all for the today's class, children. Now start reading your content book. Keep pencil in your hand. Underline the hard words. Take note of the hard words in your notes note. Revise it properly. Thank you, children.